Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fa'awzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, وَلَقَدْ جِئْتُمُونَا فُرَادَى كَمَا خَلَقْنَاكُمْ أَوَّلَ مَرَّةٍ وَتَرَكْتُمْ مَا خَوَّلْنَاكُمْ وَرَاءَ ظُهُورِكُمْ وما نرى معكم شفعاءكم الذين زعمتم أنهم فيكم شركاء لقد تقطع بينكم وضل عنكم ما كنتم تزعمون. Translation: And indeed you have come to us alone, just as we created you at the first time, and you have left behind all that we bestowed upon you, and we do not see with you your intercessor whom you claimed as partners to me in your affairs. Now you are cut off with all your relations of one another, and all those whom you claim to be associates of Allah have failed you. In this ayah, the attendance in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the day of hereafter is mentioned, and in the world everyone is living in his nation, in his group of people, in his families, and in his associations. And the humans in these groups help each other often in the sins and in the transgression. But in the hereafter, everyone will be alone without anyone helping him. Scholars have said that the exception is for muttaqeen. In the explanation of a similar ayah of Surah Anbiya, Hazrat Ibn Abbas Raziyallahu Anhuma said that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that in the hereafter you will be gathered in a way that you do not have any clothes on you, and everyone will be uncircumcised. And then he recited the ayah, كَمَا بَدَأْنَا أَوَّلَ خَلْقٍ نُعِيدُ وَعْدًا عَلَيْنَا إِنَّا كُنَّا فَاعِلِينَ. That the way we created you in the beginning, we will create you again, and this is on us, and this is a promise, and we are going to do according to this promise. The ayah that we are discussing today, some scholars have said, is about the souls, and when the souls were created initially, there were no brothers, sisters, or any relationships among the souls. And similarly, in the hereafter, there will not be any relationships, and everyone will be alone, and all the coverings that a person gets in this world will be taken away. The first covering of the soul is the human body, and on the body there are clothes, and all the things that come from this world surround the human being. But in hereafter, all those things will be lost. Wallahu alam. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions about those that humans depend on and think that they will be their intercessors in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will remove all those intercessors, and nobody will be with them. If they associated someone with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that entity, whether it was a fake god like Lat, Manat, Uzza, which were the idols, or any wali of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or anyone they thought that will take care of them other than Allah, they will be lost. All the associations will be terminated, and all the relations will be broken. O Allah, give us the vision that we can see the hereafter now when we are in this world with the eyes of our heart. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.